Good evening, traders. U.S. equities closed lower today, with Nasdaq futures down 1.72% and S&P futures falling 0.7%. The VIX jumped 4.15%. In commodities, gold dropped 1.7% and silver declined 3.9%. WTI crude oil saw a modest gain of 0.5%, while Brent crude was up 0.17%. Natural gas surged 3.49%. The U.S. dollar index edged up 0.05%. The 10-year yield decreased by 0.38%, and long-duration treasuries gained 0.37%. Today's session was marked by a significant tech sell-off, with the semiconductor index plunging 5% and the Nasdaq 100 dropping 1.7%. This move reflects investors turning defensive after a strong AI-driven rally. Geopolitical tensions were a major driver, with reports of an explosion halting gas export pumping in Syria and the UAE announcing a halt to all trade with Iran. These events contributed to uncertainty in energy markets, keeping Brent crude near $91 due to ongoing concerns over the Strait of Hormuz. Other key headlines include an Israeli warplane entering Syrian airspace and an Israeli airstrike near Gaza City. Trade negotiations between Canada and the U.S. are ongoing, with negotiators expected to meet before a midnight tariff deadline. Looking ahead, geopolitical developments, especially in the Middle East, will remain a critical focus for their potential impact on energy and broader market sentiment. The tech sector's recent decline will also be closely watched to see if it signals a broader market shift. That's your market wrap for today. The desk should separate fresh catalysts from background commentary and wait for market confirmation before upgrading a theme. If the same story keeps crossing without a broader move, it remains context rather than a new trading signal. If rates, the dollar, commodities, and index futures begin to confirm the tape, the next brief should elevate that theme. Until then, the useful question is whether the headline flow changes positioning, liquidity, or the next scheduled risk window.